Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try a slightly different video than my normal ready-to-wear unboxing video. So let me know what you think and let's get into it without further ado. So starting with, I have a ready-to-wear reveal to share with you. I picked this up the other day when I went in to go check out the 25B, that is the pre-fall collection. Pre-fall? No, that's fall winter act 1. Pre-fall is métier. But anyway, 25B collection. This is a collection that is still being designed by the collective Chanel. It is not yet a Matthew collection. We will all have to wait for spring summer 26, which runway, which is in September, October, I think, before we see any designs by him. So it's still the prior collective. And I found this piece and it kind of surprised me. And so I thought I would do a reveal and share the item with you. And then we would style it a few different ways. You know, one of the reasons why I really like some of the Chanel pieces that I've collected over time is I feel like they are really versatile and you can wear them lots of different ways and get a lot of use out of them. And so I thought I would share some of my thinking with how I would style this piece with you with actual outfit try-on. So starting with the reveal, it comes in a pouch like this, and actually, ooh, bag fell. This pouch is a little bit big for what it is. I feel like they're probably just running low on little pouchies, but that's fine. This is, this is gonna be a messy video. This is the cardigan that I picked up. So it is a blue and pink and purple, sort of like mixed colors. It's white, kind of white, teal, purple, pink. You can see it best in the collar. The lighting's not that good right now, I apologize. And it's not focusing. There you go. The buttons are this really pretty lavender color. And what really made me fall in love with this piece is the sleeves are like feathery. Like, to me, this is very, it reminds me of like Limited 2. Limited 2, where I shopped in middle school, and like Lizzie McGuire, Clueless, like it's just very like 90s girly. This whole collection was inspired by K-pop and specifically Jennie and like Blackpink and all that. She is one of the house, friends of the house, what's it called? I don't know, sponsors. So I actually took this in a size 40 and it was $4,200. Here's the information. I'm a little bit nervous. You know, I am changing size currently. Probably a 42 would be best for me right now, but since the trend line of my weight, the direction that it's going, I didn't really want to size up because then I was worried that it would be too big in the future. So we're kind of working with a hybrid right now. So in terms of how I would style this cardigan's very girly, very sweet, and like a little traditional, you know, like except for the feather sleeve, it's kind of like a low-key, like a very conservative ladies who lunch sort of cardigan. And so the first way that I would style it, which is how I was styling it when I picked it out, sorry, the tags, is with these jeans. So I wore these jeans to the launch day. These are from the Dakar collection, so they're just like a printed, kind of modern looking jean, the way with the patch pockets and like the no waistband. These are actually jeans that I had gotten altered at the waist just to fit me better. I've worn them a few times. I need to wash them, so they're a little bit stretched out now. But I think one of the ways that looks nice with this cardigan is because it's kind of mixing like really girly with more edgy. I don't know, I know these jeans have like flowers and CCs all over them, but the way that they're just like a little bit more rocker versus this is very sweet. So I feel like the juxtaposition between the two different styles works really well. And with this look, I would probably do something like, oh my God, probably something like this. Like, I think that's just so cute because then the pink pops, but there's still the hint of blue from like the Twilly and the baby Molly's eyes. And so this is kind of like, it's very much giving 90s mall. Actually, it looks like Mean Girls. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Okay. But I just think that that kind of mixing it up is a really cute way to wear it. Right now, I'm like most comfortable with it a little bit open, although I do like this effect of just buttoning the top button and letting the rest kind of do the rest. But another way, so there's like the juxtaposition where you can go like rocker and really girly. Another thing that you can do is just go all in girly. So let's go do that. Okay, so this look is really leaning into the like 90s Clueless vibe of it all. For 25B, they did re-release these heart bags, so I thought that that was like a perfect addition. Oh, there goes a feather. Thing about feathers is you will lose them. You just have to let it go. But this is like sweet on sweet, which I also think is kind of fun, but I didn't go like too saccharine sweet because it's black, right? And so the black tweed, the black heart, kind of leave it in this not too sickeningly sweet styling, which I also think is really cute. I think this would be, I mean, this is like a fun outfit for almost any occasion except for maybe work. I want to wear a mini skirt to work. I would wear this, the last outfit, to work though. I have a very casual office. But this is just, oh, the skirt is a little big, just a little. But this is an Abercrombie skirt and an Abercrombie bodysuit. So I like mixing low and high together. And I feel like it, you know, the Chanel kind of brings it all together, even without the cardigan, just the skirt and the tank top. If you have the bag, if you're gonna start somewhere, I really feel like a bag makes an outfit. So I think the pipeline is bag, shoes, ready to wear, honestly. But this is the second way that I would kind of style this, going like full into the sweetiness of it all. And I have one more, which I will walk you through in just a minute. Okay, so in this final look, you can see how the cardigan, it's fine, but I feel like in a couple months, wearing a button will just be all that much more comfortable. This look is kind of like, it is sweet on sweet for sure. It is kind of leaning into that like, I feel like Love Shack fancy boho kind of styling where you're like, I don't know, it's a little bit like pink Serena van der Woodsen. I just feel like the Love Shack fancy founder, Beck NYC, she's actually an amazing follow on Instagram. She always does like a really great job combining luxury with Love Shack fancy, but then making it look really effortless and, like I said, like boho. So for that, I left the bottom two buttons unbuttoned and just like a little peek of something. She would probably do her whole midriff. She's amazing. And she has abs for days and days. Not that you need abs to show your midriff, but okay, anyway, I digress. And so I would probably wear this with like big chunky heels or something to be a little bit more fancy. So it's definitely the most dressed up version. And then I just feel like the extra pink bag, I don't know, something about the top handle and the chain. It's not totally boho. I mean, if I was really gonna go for it, I would need like the pink 22 would be really cute with this, but it is, I feel like, a totally different sort of look and vibe compared to the first look that I did with the jeans. So I just feel like for that reason, you know, this cardigan, it's like super versatile. There's a bunch of different ways that you can style it for like many different occasions. And these are some of the different ways that I was thinking of wearing it and mixing it with things that I already have. The skirt is Love Shack Fancy, and you know, Love Shack Fancy inspired the look. But you could use, I think this would be cute with like any Love Shack clothes that you already have, but also just jeans and a t-shirt, but also like a mini skirt and stuff like that. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think of this video series if you enjoy it. I have another ready to wear reveal that I will do a styling session for after this, and so we'll just see how these kind of play out. Maybe I'll put them both up on the same day, and so then it's kind of like 2 for 1. You can let me know if you like single videos or videos together. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know how you would style this cardigan if it were in your wardrobe. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.